Hello and welcome to Math Easy. In this video, I'll be showing you 5 common errors students make when simplifying algebra. So the first one we're going to be talking about is squaring a binomial wrongly. Take for instance, you have an expression in this form, a plus b all squared. To simplify this does not give a square plus b square. Rather, it is multiplying itself. So you're going to have a plus b multiplying a plus b. Let me give you an instance. X minus 5 all squared. This is going to give you x minus 5 multiplying x minus 5. So if you simplify, x times x will give you x squared. X times minus 5 will give you minus 5x. Minus 5 times x will give you minus 5x. And minus 5 times minus 5 will give you plus 25. So we have here x squared minus 5x minus 5x will give us minus 10x. And this gives us 25. So this is the correct way to simplify or expand a binomial. Another error students make is this: failing to flip the direction or change the inequality sign whenever they divide or multiply by a negative sign. So, for instance, you have minus 2a is less than 14. This is not equal to minus 2a divided by minus 2 is less than 14 divided by minus 2, so that you have a is less than minus 7. This is wrong. So you have minus 2a is less than 14. So we're going to divide both sides of this equation by minus 2. So we're going to have minus 2a divided by minus 2 is, because we are dividing by a negative number, you have to flip the direction of this inequality sign to become greater than 14 divided by minus 2. So we have here a is greater than minus 7, and this is the correct way to simplify. Incorrectly simplifying radicals is very common among students. So if, for instance, you have simplify root 12. Okay, this is not equal to 4 times 3 to have it as 4 root 3. Okay, so root 12, to simplify, we have it as 4 times 3, right? And this gives us root 4 is same as 2, and then it becomes this. So root 12 is equal to 2 root 3. If you expand this expression like this, minus a plus b, it is wrong, and this is not equal to this. You are supposed to distribute this sign to these terms in the bracket. So it's going to be equal to minus a minus b. All right? For instance, you have 6 minus x minus 5. So to simplify, you have 6 minus times plus will give us minus. So we have minus x. Minus times minus will give us plus. So this will give us 6 plus 5 is 11 minus x. And this is the correct answer. If you misapply the rule of negative exponents, you are going to arrive at the wrong answer. So if you have x to the power of minus 2 and you simplify it to become minus x to the power of 2, you are wrong and your answer is wrong. So we have this to be equal to 1 all over x to the power of 2. And this is the right way to simplify. You find the reciprocal of the base, which is 1 all over x, and then raise to the positive power. Okay, so for instance, you have 5x to the power of minus 3. To simplify, this 5 would stay on its own because this power is only affecting x. Then you multiply by 1 all over x to the power of 3. So this would give you 5 all over x to the power of 3. I hope from this video you are able to learn how to avoid some common errors. If there's any other error you think I did not include, kindly drop that in the comment.